Let everything relax.
Holy shit.
There you go.
Wow.
There you go.
Wow. Yeah, that was,
Breathe.
holy cow. Holy shit. I didn't expect it to be, I knew it was going to be good, but not that good. Wow.
Should have felt that all the way down
Yep.
there.
All the way down.
Let's open up all those joints, man.
Wow.
Good job. Other than sore, how do you feel?
Field. Right up in, towards my ribs and everything.
Yes, good.
The whole length.
Yeah.
I was nervous, afraid it wasn't going to go the whole way, but
No, we got you.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
for sure.
good. Did awesome.
Awesome.
Good job.
Thank you. I appreciate it.